What's up, guys? Chris here, Tribrid Personal Training, Mesa's #1 transformation center, both in person and online. Now, I'm here to tell you about something pretty awesome. It's 3 tips you can do today to curb some of these sugar cravings that you might be having. Now, sugar cravings can be a real thing, especially if other people around you have it. So have sugar, like have snacks, have things that you're like, I'm trying to lose weight, but this thing is constantly in my face. Here's 3 things you can do today to get rid of those cravings. The first thing is don't buy it. If you don't buy it, it won't be around. That is a huge thing. That means you have to have some self-discipline. You have to stay away from crappy food. You have to stay away from things that you know you will not be able to resist. If you cannot just have one, that means you cannot have none. You should not have it, okay? That is with me, with certain foods. I know for a fact if it's in my house, I'm gonna kill the whole thing. So I just don't even bother buying it, okay? Number 2, drink flavored water, okay? What's awesome about a lot of these flavored waters, like the ice drinks, like the American, I think it's called American something or another. I don't remember what it's called, but it's made at, they have them at Walmart. They taste amazing. Got peaches and cream, orange, like creamsicle. They're so freaking good. 0 calories, and it's just water with carbon dioxide in it. It's amazing. So that's something that I use a lot to get rid of these sugar cravings because it tastes really, really sweet. And it's like I'm having the sugar without the calories, which is awesome, okay? And there's no adverse effects to it. There's nothing that's been shown to cause any problems, okay? The last one, biggest one, is goals, okay? If you do not have long-term goals, having short-term fulfillment from sugar is extremely easy. Because let's be real, if you're not sure what you really want, if you're like, man, I want to lose 50 pounds, like that's an awesome goal. Now, if you don't have a goal or you don't have an action plan to get you to that goal, the short-term happiness that sugar can provide is better feeling than that long-term goal. Hopefully that makes sense. So what I'm telling you is if you do not have long-term goals, better yet, if you do have a long-term goal, but you do not have an action plan to set it in place, you need to hit me up. I'm here to help you make sure this is in place because this helps with this and this because this is better. So if you need help getting your long-term goals or need help reaching your goals in general, you can hit me up. My name is Chris. I'm at Tribrid Personal Training. Obviously, this is on my page, but make sure you click down below. There'll be a link where you can fill out a little form. That way you can communicate with me and I can help you find the program that's best for you. Okay, we have tons of different programs that are able from any budget, from not a lot to as much as you want to spend to get the result you want. And there's been people that we've helped from 10, 15 pounds all the way up to 60 pounds in less than like 3 months. So if that's something that you want, please go down below, click the little link, fill out the form, and then I will talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.